Hello everyone, and welcome to our open house event at the Saueressig during Tissue World 2023 in Düsseldorf. My name is Gambini, and I have the pleasure of introducing you in a completely innovative, new converting process. Over the years, we invested heavily in new technologies, and we created a place to develop new products, the Tissue Hub at Gambini in Lucca. That's where we invented the AirMill, the first and unique wet embosser, with a patented process that first moistens the paper and then embosses it with heat. So now, please come with me to see with your own eyes. Here in Mönchengladbach, Germany, we have installed our wet embossing technology on the Saueressig pilot line. It means that here, in the heart of Europe, there is a place integrated with our Tissue Hub in Lucca, in which everyone can come to experiment the AirMill technology to improve existing product or start to create new ones. So now, let's see how AirMill works. By introducing water into the paper converting process, it's possible to achieve improved and enhanced results in the finished products. AirMill can provide three main features. 1. You can increase bulk, so thickness, so producing a larger diameter roll with the same amount of paper. More volume, more absorbency. 2. You can retain more strength. In fact, using AirMill, paper is less degraded, which means that the finished roll can have the same strength even starting from a weaker base sheet. Definitely, you can get the exact same product with same performances at lower cost. This proves to be an absolute game changer for those who also have a paper making machine. And 3, you can get a textured look and hand feel. The power of wet embossing makes the paper more malleable and enhance the quality of the embossing pattern. That's why AirMill can be used to make a paper comparable to TAD, the C-TAD, thus giving the opportunity to grow, stay competitive, and penetrate new markets. During this event, we have produced a conventional kitchen towel roll that resembles a TAD US leading brand. Thanks to the AirMill, the specifications are closer than ever to a TAD product, but the strength is even better, at lower costs. The textured look and the touch and feel are similar to TAD products, but the embossing pattern definition is even better. Saueressig pilot line completes our product development offering. So you can also come here now to start to experience AirMill results on your own paper. It's a cost-effective way to find the right AirMill pattern for the specific target product specs, to then being validated at our Tissue Hub in Lucca. Tissue Hub and Saueressig are the right places to create the future of tissue. Our future together.